Right there.
You want to air out?
If you want. It looks good either way. I think I already took a photo when they were on. All right, don't get out yet. All right. Yeah, don't do that. Go ahead. Right there. If you turn the wheel, how low can you go?
Like, I can't.
Let me see, turn the wheel anyways. Yeah, leave it like that. I just want to get a side shot with the less angle. Right there, right there. You wanna turn it around really quick? Yeah, I got you. This time you could face face that way. Damn! That caught me off guard. Yeah, I hate that shit though.
I didn't know we were in Chicago. I thought we were in Vermont. Let me get my purple. I'm just gonna go this way and turn around.
Yeah, I want you to face that way. Yep. Keep going. Keep going. You're kind of on uneven ground. Right there.
Want it aired out?
Yeah. I'm gonna move my fucking this thing. I almost had you on the highway.
You never had me. You never had your rental.
Oh my god. You're not wrong.
I didn't know you were into no photos and shit.
Me no.
Just for fun.
He likes to pretend. It's how we bond.
You got a digital screen on your controller?
It's
No, I mean this one.
Oh yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
mine doesn't have. I have the control for my Spark, but it doesn't have.
Yeah.
Like being in photos. Neither do I. When I saw him, I don't even have any pictures of myself.
Actually, I took one of you at the brewery.
Did you really?
Yeah.
I don't have any. Dude, my wife. fucking
Yeah,
yells. I hate
that's perfect right there. So you can do the sweater or for just facing me,
like this.
whatever you want.
I don't want to talk about it.
There you go. Turn your shoulder, turn that shoulder towards me. Nope, others. Yep. There you go. Ready?
Does my dick look big?
What? He said you.
Fucking asshole. From Rhode Island.
He said from Rhode Island. Yeah, check these out.
That makes the difference, buddy.
Hey Kyle.
Yeah.
Look towards the barn.
Toward that?
Yeah.
Push her up.
All right, cool.